Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to transform something that's useless at home to an artwork. So I'm gonna use toilet paper rolls, and it doesn't have to be toilet paper rolls. It can be like anything else, and you can make other stuff, but I'm just going to use toilet paper rolls as an example. What you need is toilet paper rolls and scissors, and I'm going to first cut this open like this, spread it out so I get this really good hard piece of paper, and I'm going to draw something on it. Like a little person here. Whatever you draw, it should not be higher than this, the diameter of this roll. So I'm going to draw just like a really small person, and I'm going to put a stand here. So when I cut from here. The reason why is that I want to cut small figures from here and slide it in here so that I can look at the small person from here like a kaleidoscope. So I'm going to make some stands so here so the person can stand. Here's the little person, and maybe I'm going to draw a deer or some animals. Again, it doesn't have to be a deer for you, but I'm just doing it. And a tree, some grass. Okay, so I'm gonna make the grass longer so it can stand. Also, the legs of the deer should be longer, so they can stand on it. So now I'm gonna cut it. So how to cut a small figure? You cut the overall big shape first. Once you cut it out, it's easier for you to cut the details. Okay, so how am I gonna cut this small hole in between the legs of the person? I'm gonna fold it in half like this. Cut it like a triangle in the middle. Okay, now I have this person here, little person. Again, I'm gonna cut the big shape first. Now I'm going to open a little hole here to stick these things into it. So I'm going to just make a little cut. Then stick my scissors in, make a bigger cut. So the tree is the background. I'm gonna stick that in first. From this hole here that I just cut, I'm going to stick the tree in. I'm going to put this downward and like this. So once it gets there, I'm going to bend the stand here like this so that from inside you can see the tree is standing up on its own, because the extra part here, I bend this extra part here on top like this so that the tree stands on its own inside. I'm gonna use tape or glue to glue this from outside, or you don't have to glue it, you can just leave it there. But I'm gonna do that. So that's one. So if I do this, I can see a tree inside. Hopefully you can see. Do the same thing for the others. So then I'm going to cut more holes and put the other ones in. The deer is also in the background, so I'm gonna put that as well.